Smart home integration. The Nvidia Shield was always intended to be something more than a simple game console or streaming device. The purpose of the console, Nvidia pitched journalists on its CES 2017, was a hub for the home, one that could not only answer inquiries via Google Assistant, but actually control your burgeoning smart home via Samsung SmartThings. Now, after 6 months of waiting, that functionality has finally arrived. We've seen Google Assistant on a handful of devices before, including the Google Pixel smartphone and Google Home, but this is the first time the company has allowed its AI to escape the confines of a Google-made product. What makes having Google Assistant so special on the Shield is that it's always listening to you through the microphone on the controller. If you don't have the controller handy, the Nvidia Shield remote will work just as well by holding down the microphone button. Want to see how your favorite sports team is doing? All you need to do is ask. Need movie recommendations? The Shield has you covered. Want to turn off the lights, lock the door and turn down the heater? Starting today, the Nvidia Shield with Google Assistant can do that, too. And while we now have Google Assistant embedded into every device, there's still one part of this equation that's missing, a device called Spot, that works like a smart microphone and plugs into any wall outlet in your house, giving direct connection to your Shield, wherever, whenever. While we're still waiting on Spot, we have had the chance to hook the Shield up to the new Samsung SmartThings Link, a small USB dongle-sized device that plugs into the back of the Nvidia Shield. With it, the Shield becomes a Samsung SmartThings hub, one that scans for new SmartThings devices and automate processes around the home. It's a neat system, and one that we could see being of value down the road as Samsung SmartThings continues to grow. Between Google Assistant and Samsung SmartThings, the Shield has become a competent smart home device, one that rivals Google Home or the Amazon Echo, largely because it borrows some of the best technology from both.